Hello, good morning, everyone. It's nice to see you today. Today, the December 27th is Christmas time. And we have a live stream this morning, this day, December 27th, about the cryptocurrency discussion as usual. And we hope you have a nice Christmas time. And as usual, with our live stream, we will discuss more about the uh, discuss more information about the cryptocurrency, the blockchain technology, the news, and we also want to share our own view discussion with our fans, our people, and the question today is with the price of the Bitcoin soon rise. Yeah, a lot of analysts, a lot of people, they suggest, they say it's will create double phone wake pattern of normal signals that will maybe gears up for rally respect cryptocurrency analysts. Yeah, Vice brings not that Bitcoin formed the Merry Christmas circle in 2022, the same pattern that appeared over the previous three Christmas. Yeah. Every three Christmas, we see the Bitcoin price. Uh, the price is around hanging around 16,900. Yeah, it's look like a gold pattern, not much change, and it's as usual at the last three Christmas. And we also hope it will come rally to the next 2023. Yeah, and the question, will the price of Bitcoin soon rise? We see that a lot of analysts also expect that it's a Merry Christmas circle here. And we also can see another article, the news coming from um, Cointelegraph. They also say that Bitcoin holders are enjoying another day of zero volatility on December 26th, as hopeful forecasts see sign of the trend change. Yes, we will see the trend change. And let's see how's about the news on the coin telegraph. And we discuss more about this. We will see more about the chart. We have a look more on this, and we hope uh, it may have a good signal for the trader. Yeah, we see here the Bitcoin holder enjoy this one. Opinion differs further over BTC price pattern. Yeah, a lot of people expect that here, there's as a worse. BTC could drop the range low of 13,900, which translates 20% drop from the current price. Yeah, oh, yeah, it may drop like that, and a lot of traders expect that it's as the bottom. But in the charts, they show that, yeah, here has a resistance level. We can see here. Uh, uh, if we look more at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hammer going down, make the Bitcoin price go down, and a lot of people they see that it may go expect that it may go down at 13,000. It go down further in the next hammer. So normally it's around 3 hammer, 5 hammer, or the next one is 8 hammer. A possibility, or if it can over that, it may get 11 hammer or 13 hammer. analysts count out to volatility return. Yeah, in the term record, BTC movement is approaching, I think, the next 48-hour part of this star. Yeah, they also significant support in the place is just about 13,000. Yeah, at this moment, a lot of holder they hold a lot of first news, a lot of negative information, and people they fear of the cryptocurrency and they don't want to jump into the market. Yeah, of course, people they're afraid that, and because it's a holiday, a lot of people want to enjoy their holiday and relax during the week during the after the full years working hard um, for the market and feel exotic when see the Bitcoin price go down since beginning of this years until now it's nearly go to the end of the it's go to the bottom. Yeah, with the price of crypto Bitcoin, we will also expect it may hit the good trend, go up more, and feel more hope to have more and more exciting information. And sometimes people go move out of the market, and that means they find some place to find the safe place and don't want to care more about the crypto. Just let it be. That's the reason why uh, less news today, less people talking about crypto because they see the price of the bitcoins and feel that it's still hanging around. And now we see the most important Bitcoin news of the 2022. The 2023 is coming, and we need to look back what Bitcoin community, what the people, crypto community working on the 2022 during after the pandemic. Yeah, a lot of activity, information, and people feel uh, it depends on how people feel. We see the about in the macro economy, the Fed they want to uh, raise the Fed they want to raise interest rate, and they want to see how the inflation want to control the inflation, and that's the reason why the economy the world the thing happen like that and make the people feel worried and it's slow down make that means it's coming now begin with the stock with uh, with the property. Yeah, a lot of things go down and cryptocurrency also in the same circle, and they also want they cryptocurrency also want to jump out to help the the economy, but it cannot. It nearly the same with 2014. Yeah, 2014, 20 20 2009, 2014. At that time we also can see the same thing happen, the same thing. I still remember 2014 also we see a lot of company going down on 2014. Some of the biggest exchange uh, big Mount Ross, empty Ross, Mount Ross. falling down and make the price of Bitcoin going down from 1,000 to 1,000 is falling down until $300. At that time, a lot of people say not good about Bitcoin. I still remember when I go out to the coffee shop, when I say something about Bitcoin, people look at me and say, "Oh, Bitcoin is look like something not good." However, around with 3,000, with $300, less of people buying the Bitcoin at that time, and the reason why, because they don't have the trust and they don't know how to store the Bitcoin, to hold the Bitcoin, and it look like the stone edge of the cryptocurrency. At this time, at this moment, we have a lot of things to manage the cryptocurrency, like you keep in your coin wallet, or you put in your exchange to trade or to buy more. And 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 the reason why today people still worrying about this, because when they keep the cryptocurrency, keep the Bitcoin on the exchange, they nervous because the exchange may fall down, and they may lose their access. They may lose their cryptocurrency. And the best way for you is to keep your own cryptocurrency in your wallet, like in your cold wallet, your hardware wallet, or your software wallet on your phone, and no one can touch it. Yeah, and let's go to see the most important Bitcoin news of 2022. Yeah, this article I got from Bluetooth, the most important Bitcoin news 2022. We see it's happening the rough year 2022 of Bitcoin news, a series of industry implosions. Yeah, and Bitcoin price going down around 63% years to then. To be fair, Bitcoin performed no worse than the broader crypto sector, because we see the is coming from 2.3 trillion to 846 billion this year in the total market, and Nasdaq stock market declined only 29%. Yeah, many challenges remain, and let's see the first information about Jack Dorsey. Yes, Jack Dorsey is a CEO of the Twitter previously, and he going back he go out of the Twitter, and he defend Bitcoin uh, from the, that means at that time Jack Rice is the one who always claimed that he's a Bitcoin creator. Yeah, and we see on January 12, 2022, Jack Dorsey, Alex Mokus, and Martin White announced a new Bitcoin legal defense fund to help support developers who were targeted by frivolous lawsuits. Yeah. There's a message on the Linux Foundation Bitcoin development list and numerous lawsuits against the Bitcoin core, because this man he registered the Bitcoin uh, he registered the Bitcoin copyright. That's why he sued the lawsuit. He sued everyone in the Bitcoin developer. Yeah, this a lot of people don't like him. And next one, we see the minor activist Softfox, Bitcoin Core developer, and Judica founder Jeremy Lupin proposed a continuous activation method for his minor activated soft fork, the Bitcoin. That's a proposal 119, also known as the check template verifier or simply convenience. Yeah, this one of the short fork of the Bitcoin this year's. Bitcoin mining and transaction activity gain traction in Africa. Yeah, that means a lot of country in Africa they use the power grid to mine Bitcoin and a lot of that means that's country they think that is only chance to get rid of the get rid of the poor poverty and they want to have a better life. Yeah, they jump into the mining activity in Africa. Yeah, example sectors blocks relentless compute effort to use hydropower to mine Bitcoin and reduce the electric rate and relentless rate to million this year for modular satellite connected grid. Yeah. 3 weeks ago, Ghana hosts the continent's largest Bitcoin conference in history. Yeah. Developer Rotason Nako is working on another internet access problem in Africa with the Machan Kugla system. And the next one is BIP 125 and Bitcoin continuous replaced by free discussion. Yeah, we can see about the BIP a lot of information we hear about the BIP when Bitcoin want to improve the code they submit the BIP like now BIP 125 and it's possible to use a RBF model replaced by free. Yeah, a form of Bitcoin improvement proposal, a protocol to enable not to accept transaction that the signal that could be replaced with a transaction user send input and higher fee. And we can see the Bitcoin Core 24.0.1, the option to configure the RBF policy. And we also can see another news of the Bitcoin about the Lisa Negus proposal for tier red card for the Lightning Network, not operator. Yeah, and this developer they want to run the proposal about the Bitcoin Lightning node, and they hope that it's the price, the challenge of the fee new rate will reduce. Yeah, it's more benefits for the user. And John Lai published a report on the Bitcoin validity rollup. Yeah, another developer also submit the information to roll up. Sometimes when the Bitcoin not the Bitcoin core has some problem, they will do like that. They need like that. Yeah, and the last and here nearly the last one, Bitcoin developer discuss the needs for quantum resistance. Yeah, a lot of people worry about the quantum computer because with the quantum computer they can calculate the high demand. Then they can break the password. They can break the wallet of the Bitcoin. That's why developers they discuss how would the need of the quantum resistance to protect the network. Yeah, quantum cryptography resistant algorithm. Yeah, they may they may apply that. Suggest using the taproot output for the quantum cell public key. Yeah. Also, the last information of the Bitcoin network is about 40 Bitcoin core developed meet face to face in in Atlanta. About 40 Bitcoin core developers met at a rare interpersonal conference. Yeah, sometimes the developer also need to work together, do offline to see its order. And we also special thank to the open source Bitcoin operation technology group for recording Bitcoin major technical event in 2022 and helping to inform this article. Yeah, that's the information about some of the news of the uh, Bitcoin, the news of Bitcoin only. Remember the news of Bitcoin with the news in the cryptocurrency. Recent day we see a lot of people, a lot of information about some first news about this exchange, that exchange, and let me discuss. Let me see about. You also can go to um, our civic community on the on Telegram to update more news. Yeah, we also add the add the bot, add some news about this. Let me review for you. Let me share information for you on there. To where is this? Where is this? Okay, let me go. Okay, hi. Here I will share on the Telegram group. You all can and Windows Telegram. Where's Telegram? Here they don't entire screen. Oh, here they don't allow to share information on the Telegram. So how can I share this? I may only share about the technology. Okay, let me read for you. Share to read just read the news about on the Telegram to let us dissect how's the news. Uh, Grayscale, who hold about 635,000 BTC, my phone. Oh, that is one of the breaking news. It looks like the first news. And Bitcoin price will face a massive capitulation. Yeah, come talk crypto with me. Yeah, 1,000 member, blah, blah, blah. You spend your time where you spend your money. Stop buying and spend some of the first new. I don't think I'm going to this new country. Sec chair Gary Glenseller say crypto exchange group of research has no value. Oh, this one, this guy is so funny when he say that it's they don't have. Oh, let's see. Your addicted to crypto is a new reason to spend all day on this the reply first. Yeah. They open the rehab. You make me smile. Did you know Litecoin has zero downtime over 11 years of existence, the longest uninterrupted uptime in crypto? Huh. Month NFT sale 80% lower than years. Digital collectible Pinterest from 2022. I expect to continue its downtrend to 2023. Yeah, yeah. Some of the people they comment they do like they want the bear season. In my own opinion, I I also want the season that not too not drop too low, but also not rise too high. Musk Zuckerberg and SBF Samsung are on the Guardian annual list of the worst tech enter- enterprise of the years. Yeah, Mr. Nilas. Let me join the. You can join the discussion. Uh, and now Mr. Nicholas will share his view with us. Yeah, middle of live stream. Talking about the season, talking about the Bitcoin, Bitcoin news, holiday video. Okay, and now we see next one. Let me go to have a look more about the Bitcoin price. Yeah, now Bitcoin around 16,900, around 900. Yeah. And let's just let together go around to see how's Bitcoin crypto market what's happening. I also think that due to the season, not 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 no much change. And we see price analyst, price analyst Bitcoin ETS. Let's see that. Let me go fast. CB Morgan Asset Management Jared Ross hold a different view when speak to the Bloomberg. Ross said that the bear market had broken the notion that Bitcoin could act from digital gold or an inflation hedge. Yeah, he added that large institutional investors have stayed away from the crypto sector and that a price unlikely to change anytime soon. Yeah. Could the SP 500 index, SPX, and the cryptocurrency sector witnessly cover in the next few days? Let's study the chart to find out about the SPX of SP 500 index because we see about um, the traditional market, the stock market have a relate with the cryptocurrency, and in this article he share information about the SPX in the traditional market, and we see that here the price is the downtrend line. Yeah, helpful is have the downtrend line. Uh, the buyer tried to push the price back above 50 days SMA on December 21st, but the bear hold their rounds. Yeah, we see here the chart here, the bear still hold the ground, but the seller pushed the price below the immediate support of 300 of 3,795 on December 22nd. Yeah, this SPX 500. Yeah, and the XY is a US dollar index. Yeah, it look like going down due to the control inflation of the Fed. They increase the rate, and now it's going down. Flip the 105 level to the resistance. Both moving averages are sloping down, and the RSI is in the negative territory. Yeah, negative territory is going down to 105. If the price turn down and break below 103.44, the sell could pick up momentum, and the index could plunge to 102 and later to the psychological level of 100. The bull may vigorously defend this level. Yeah, this these charts are talking about the US dollar price. Yeah, and how about the BTC and USDT? Yeah, it's about the crypto. We see the crypto look like totally, nearly totally. It's a little different. And this day we see the price look like go sideways, not not go down much like a few weeks ago, but we still hope that it can recover at the price like this. We can see two levels, 25,000, and the next lowest level is 18,300. Yeah, this tight range trade may not continue for long because traders thrill in the volatile market. Buyer will try to establish their supremacy by pushing the price above moving average and resistance at the 17,100. And we hope that if they success, the BTC pair could rally to 17,800. Yeah, it's coming from the 16,800 to 17,800, and then steep the resistance at the 18,388. And we also have another option that if the price turn down. Yeah, the price turn down is the price go down 16,500, and in the pair with the pair try to extend the decline to the 15,500 to 16,000 is a support zone. Yeah, that is a lot of information for us to digest to see how the price. And later we will have a look at this on the chart. I think they also use the chart to see the support level and resistance level. So it's so good. The same is so good for us to know. And let's see of the ETS and USDT. With the ETS and USDT, the pair try to boom ETS toward the 1,150. Yeah, the price support, this pull the support. The bear try to pull to the support level, but the long tail on the candlestick. Yeah, we see the long tail on the candlestick that bull are buying on the minor dip. Yeah, the buyer are currently attempt to calculate the price to the moving average. Yeah, from they usually try to buy if the price around 1,100, and now the current price of the ETS is 1,200. Yeah, that is also a good price for us to buy. And still remember the peak of the ETS is around 400, 4,000, nearly 4,000. Yeah. The next one, let's see about the price analyst. If they manage to do that, we also can hope the price ETS rally to 1,300 about that. And in the break below, if it's break below 1,000, 1,150, yeah, this is a resistance level is around $1,075. Yeah, but we see the 20-day EMA is around 1,227, and RSI nearly 747, and we see the BNB. Yeah, a lot of people see the BNB price. Now the current price of BNB is 243. Above zone 243, and it's made around that 250 and 255. If they can pull it up, the BNB pair could quickly move up to 290 to 300 resistance zone. Yeah, we so hope that the pair could then drop if the price turn down and break below 236. It was suggest that the pair could have success in the flipping 250 into the resistance. Then drop to 220 if this level crack, and the pair could sink to the chronological level of 200. Yeah, that's very nice information for us to digest this, to see the total market, the price. We see the Bitcoin selling pressure become exotic. Let's see some of the other news on the other channel on the clip. So, yeah, we see Mark Cuban double down on the Bitcoin while this go. Yeah. Donald Trump will also say he liked the stock of QR last time, but some of the QR look now we last time we see a lot of people say that Donald Trump is one of the guy don't like the crypto, don't like Bitcoin. Now he also jumped into um, welcome on board. Just say welcome on board when he jumped into the crypto activity. Yeah, welcome to the rabbit hole. Yeah, something like that. And the ex-president said he didn't do it for the money, but still thought his NFT might sell. Yeah, of course, he get a lot of NFT. He sells it. A lot of the community also success. They also like it. But from biggest LSFT, okay, let's see the North Korea links NFT phishing campaign target OpenSea X2 X2Y2 reliable user. Yeah. And North Korea link NFT phishing campaign. Platform of the century. Biggest LS in NFT 2022. Yeah, it's talking about the Donald Trump. Yeah. NFT group was wrong. Logan get locked up. While app sell for 100. Yeah. Some just FTX NFT are stuck. Big Salmon reveal Coinbase listing for F film. Yeah. Outlaws NFT that we in the platform in the century biggest LS NFT in 2020 is one year for NFT a long way. have been some spectacular loss mistake. We collect some of the news and and ENS ENS is one of the uh, Ethereum name services. Yeah, replace 100 ETH now in a domain owned through Eternal Wallet, which disappears, but then it so stop doing without candy offer, banning 100 ETH offer and rank in profits. Logan Paul shared his L. Logan Paul didn't mind sharing his biggest L from 2021 speculative bubble and spent 623,000 on NFT. Oh, Akuta get locked up, Ben fully mind about the God smart contract owned by NFT project Autonomous. In April 2022, artist, former MLB player Micah Johnson launched his Akuta project, taking $10 million worth of ETH during the mint, then it went short. Soon after the launch, exploits were spotted to trigger unknown attacker permanently locking the contract on fund inside of it. 34 million was ETH at the time is now forever stuck in the smart contract. Oh my god. It accessible by the creator of the NFT buyer. Relax with the new contract and refund buyer who were due fund. Yeah. Now we can see the lockup of the NFT when the developer doing the smart contract and it forever inside there, it cannot get out. Buy up, sell for 115. Yeah, it's really cheap. Totally shocked. First time or last I've seen the blue chip NFT sell for fraction as well, but it was one of more prominent. A set of 115 DAI is one of the like the stablecoin $1 back stablecoin. Yeah, I've started at 100 and 106 at ETH or at the time. The price was so cheap and now it's only $115. Yeah. Tax everything will sold in 20 $25 worth of DAI. And we see the NFT FTX are stuck. Yeah, stuck in the FTX. It's because of the FTX exchange have falling down. FTX on the major NFT space concerns yeah, a lot of the NFTs that use weekly into the self-custody wallet is no longer working properly. Imagine it's stored on the FTX server. It's another red flag for the marketplace that takes or keep custody of user NFT. Yeah. Bismarck revealed at the peak of the NFT frenzy early this year, nearly anything with the little birds is so about the Bismarck like the Pokemon. They sell the monster NFT, raise $70 million artwork. Cosplay the thing of board app film, they're making the board app film. Cosplay now plan to create a short film trilogy based on the NFT. Yeah, it was nice. After that were radio silent. Cosplay confirmed with the news station that is up to both the production on the remaining chapter. The outright and FTX NFT is different. when FTX team up with Solana NFT game Aurora and esports giant team Solomist TSM to launch a limited edition NFT in October 21. The collaboration made a huge splash. One of the auction NFT. But after the exchange found out the massive sums paid for some of NFTs level lost different now. November Bushido NFT collector but stock this 380k USD down the range. Yeah, I was so excited to get this. But the FTX name doesn't make quite the same in yesterday. $143k for gaming fan art. Yeah, it's also nice. If you were forced to sell one particular NFT today is for the market price, would be your biggest registered loss. Stay on top of the crypto news. Yeah. Get daily updates on the inbox, and we hope that we will have more information, more news, and it may bring a lot of things for us to digest. We also choose some of the when here we we try to digest the news that may may get people good information and and the the year end is coming, yeah, of course, and we hope that we'll get the everyone have a hope, and in the crypto community, we all hope for the good good thing, good news. And now we're going to see about the crypto meme of the year, meme, meme of the years. Yeah, the years of the crypto meme. Let's see, crypto tester this day. Yeah, crypto tester this day about the cat. Yeah, do a lot of things to the house, to the room, make the people feel yeah angry about this because yeah. And now one of El Salvador he says, I see that I see you IMF. That's very nice because he used the IMF to buy the crypto. Yeah, a few days the IMF cautioned El Salvador to stop using Bitcoin as a legal tender against that while the country economy was shrinking public debt, and it used Bitcoin and that large risk could hold the country recovery. And then he said that's very nice because he's the one president who support the crypto. Oh, it look like a fake news. IMF breaking us. IMF they want the El Salvador president to remove the Bitcoin as a legal tender. Let's see how is there any news talking about this? Yeah, it's yeah. They look like fun. It's so fun. It's very nice because look like yeah. It's just a gift. It's so funny. And let's see another meme of the week. Let's see the meme. Duquan, Cyborg, Base, Terra, Blockchain, Dreamer. The Lullaby meme. Let's see. A lot, a lot of meme here. Vitalik Buterin, who is one of the most meme character italic bootlegging. Yeah, this guy is one of the many character. It's so funny. Yeah. Oh, so funny. He's the one who read the father of Ethereum. Let's see, next one. A lot of this share very polar mimi. How optimistic people feeling those days of innocence. Bookmark this mimi for the next month. The market are booming again. You're going to take profit this time, right? Right? Now, this mimi is a lot of thing, a lot of yeah, so funny thing for us to see. Yeah, when sometimes they say, yeah, keep it until March. Bookmark this mimi for the late March. Yeah, this guy talking about this because he hoped that on March this year, next year's, the market going up. Now, feeling those days innocent. Okay, let's see how the meme of the Kwon, CEO of the Terra USDT room right now. Next 7 days, I resist 20-hour peg over the next 7 days. Yeah. Not waiting for Earth become unstable. Yeah. This meme coming from here. The bear looking at this. The price go down, and we see the one Aptos Solana killer. Yeah, let's see. Retail car investor put up token. Aptos is the Celtic most scalable. Yeah, VC retail. You should reach to Aptos. A lot of VC coming to you. Yeah, because making a bridge like that. Yeah. It's so funny meme here from the one of the Solana killer. And let's see the next one is Solana killer investor will not funding given to develop the private sector to equip Atos will not for common retail investor. Yeah. Fast forward Thanksgiving on the crypto pros were done sharing next layer one blockchain Uncle Sam. Let's see. Uh, last year crypto, this year, why don't you come down and show everyone your treasure direct account? They want to see your iPhone last year, this year, last year, last year taking a picture family, and this year, yeah, this year hiding upstairs. It's so funny. 2 years. Yeah, of course, last year totally different. Last year when the price crypto Bitcoin going up, a lot of people are laughing, and this year the high Thanksgiving, high and the phone on the FTX meme. Let's see. Let's see the meme FTX mission accomplished. 30 years old crypto billionaire want to give his fortunes away. Yeah. Mission accomplished. Yeah, of course. Yeah. Colorado creator Chuck Hopkinson said a meme about the rubber barrel. I just got the news about FTX starting to singing Alumina Research. CG here is so funny. When you at FTX and he do research, he see about this. Can you guess the reference? Many thought the offer would be history in the making, including the multi-chain NFT platform Magic Eden. Is the bullish of Solana. Binance acquired FTX Wikipedia editor. BNB area formerly known as FTX Arena. Some of the meme about activity FTX. Let me close the previous meme. Okay. And see the Bitcoin analyst Dylan Richards got several thousand laughs of his meme. Let's see. Oh, this one a little bit long. Copy link. Oh. Copy, not link. This one best. Binance acquiring FTX find out. Yeah, I know. A lot of things. The same day, Bitcoin is most long and the meme when you talk. Sam become the main character. Yeah, go to the heaven because these guys from the Solana, and now it's time for him to go. It's so nice meme. BNB investor share mock up the poster film of three biggest disaster. Let's see. Up years and CZ. I'm gonna to watch this the biggest shock too. This is one of the mock up of the movie. Yeah. If we see go down, go up, go down, this is shock. The people to is say the people who shock the market. The big shock too. Shock totally the market. Some banking file rock his silence several distress apologize mass scamming because epic. Let's see. Oh my god. What happened? Yeah, this one not me. You honest? My client this say sorry. Honest. No, it's not a sorry because someone when he said that he just want to ask the lawyer to say something for even for him because if he says something, this may be the thing for people to say. Simple sorry was